Kuraray is a global leader in specialty chemical, fiber, and resin production. With top-of-the-line research and production facilities throughout the world and a vast global supply network, Kuraray is a solutions provider throughout many industries. Kuraray offers a variety of MPD-based polyols with various molecular weights. Our portfolio includes polyester polyols and polycarbonate polyols used in a variety of applications, including ink, coatings, adhesives, polyurethane dispersions, synthetic leathers, and foam. The methyl branch of Kuraray Polyols provides significant advantages such as a more luxurious feel, softness, durability, better miscibility with other polymers, high transparency, heat and UV resistance, good adhesiveness, and improved hydrolysis resistance. A key feature of Kuraray's polyols is their viscosity. Due to the rare makeup of our diols, most of our polyols are liquid at room temperature. This is important because it enables a reduction of energy to melt polyols before synthesis. What's the next project you're dreaming of, and how can we help?